Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a few super cute kurti sets that I got from Amazon for under ₹1000. So they are very affordable. Their quality is according to the price, so they are not very high grade quality kurti sets, but they are not very cheap either, so they are just how you pay. So if that is something that interests you, if you're looking for affordable kurti sets for the approaching wedding season, this is the video for you. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you like my videos in general, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, if you're interested in today's video, let's just get into the video.
Starting off with this super cute maroon anarkali set. I adore the color of the kurti set. It's so festive appropriate. I got this one in a size medium and it fits me perfectly, not too tight, not too loose, just right. The kurti and the trousers are made up of cotton and the dupatta is made up of net with golden lace work on all four sides. There is also a little pocket on the right side of the anarkali, which is amazing. I absolutely love how this looks. The color is just amazing. There are golden foil prints all over the front of the kurti and also some golden thread embroidery work. The waist of the trousers have a band on the front and elastic on the back. The trousers are cigarette trousers and they are solid maroon in color with no prints or any embroidery work in them. The back of the kurti is also just solid maroon color with nothing else in it. At the price, it's a really good kurti set that you can style up with accessories for festive or party wear look, and you can also wear it on daily wear purposes to your office, to your college, etc. The color is a bit bright, but if that's not a problem, then you can wear it for daily purposes. At the price, it's a good kurti set. Next up is this beautiful pink kurti set. This is so very affordable, but it's super duper cute. This is perfect if you are someone who doesn't like wearing overly heavy outfits for the wedding season, but you like something to be a little bright, a little on the shinier side. This is for you. It's made up of chanderi silk, which is perfect for the winter season. It's gonna keep you warm enough, but it's not so hot that you can't wear it for the summer seasons. It's also very comfortable, airy and breathable, not itchy at all. I love the golden thread work that it has going on in the bust area. It also comes with these little 4 coins that look super cute. And I love that the dupatta is just pretty simple solid colored, except for the thread work that it has going on at both the ends of the dupatta and the little tassels. The waist of the trousers have elastic on both sides, and it also has a little pocket on the right side, which is really helpful. I also love the thread work that the pants have going on in the end of the trousers. It looks so beautiful. This set is so good for the price it comes at. I love the color combination and I love the look of it. I got it in a size medium and it fits me perfectly. Not too loose, not too tight, just right. It comes with a straight kurti that has 2 side slits and a pair of cigarette trousers. At the price, it's really good. Next up is this kurti set that comes only with an anarkali and a solid dupatta. This does not come with a pair of trousers and it's very long, so you will definitely not need one either. It's made up of chiffon. It's very soft and smooth on the skin. It's very comfortable, airy and breathable. It's also perfect for the season. It comes in this deep navy blue color. It has this foil prints on the front and it is plain solid from the back. The dupatta is made up of chiffon as well. The dupatta is made up of georgette and it has gota patti work on all of its 4 sides. The kurti also has these little golden buttons attached on the front. They are just for show, you can't really open them. This is a really good option if you are looking for something unique, something not everyone will have, but it's very affordable and comfortable. It's very long. It will fit tall girls way too well. It looks really good on me as well, but I can only wear it with heels. If I want to wear it with flats, I have to get it chopped a little bit from the end. I got this one in a size medium as well, and it fits me perfectly. Not too tight, not too loose. I absolutely love this kurti set for the price range. Next up is this super cute silk kurti set in this maroon color. I'm absolutely in love with this color. It looks so very traditional, so very Indian, and I love the brocade work this kurti set has. In such an affordable price range, they have made a very beautiful piece of clothing. It comes with a straight kurti with slits in it and a patiala pair of trousers and a dupatta. The kurti is sleeveless. It is solid from the back, except it has a little brocade work at the end, and it has a lot of brocade work in the front. The entire dupatta has brocade work in it, and the pants are just solid. The waist of the trousers have elastic on both sides. I got this one in a size medium and it fits me perfectly, not too tight, not too loose. It's very comfortable, airy and breathable, not itchy at all. It feels very soft and smooth on the skin. At the price, it's a really good kurti set, even though it does look like it is a cheap piece, but I mean, you really pay a very less amount for it. It also comes in a few different color options, so you could check those out as well. Last but not the least is this pink kurti set. It's super duper cute. I love the white thread and sequin work it has on the bust area and on the dupatta. It comes with an anarkali kurti, a pair of trousers and a dupatta. The dupatta is made up of chanderi material. The kurti and the trousers are made up of viscose polyester. It's very comfortable, airy and breathable, not itchy at all, and it's very soft and smooth on the skin. The kurti has a little pocket on the right side. It's quite spacious. The thread work is the star of the show. It looks very beautiful. The pink and white color combo looks amazing. The waist of the trousers have elastic on all sides. The trousers are cigarette trousers. I got this in a size medium and it fits me perfectly. Not too tight, not too loose, and the length is perfect as well. The anarkali is not too long, neither are the trousers. So this one is a kurti set that's really good at the price range.
So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and benefited from it. If you have any other video suggestion or request, comment that down below and I will definitely make a video on that, and I will see you guys in my next. Till then, take care. Bye bye.